Hello guys, welcome to another Firebase database rules tutorial. In this episode, we are going to be uh, writing a database rules using Firebase Rules Generator to prevent, delete, and prevent creation of data. Okay, so now what you can see here is a site from gist.github.com, and this is the rule we intend to uh, create with Firebase database rules generator. And this rule says we have a path, and the path has a child user ID, and the user ID, and to be able to write to the user ID, data must exist, and new data must exist. So meaning you can't you are preventing writing and deleting of data if like you know what I mean. Come on, you know what I mean. So yeah, so now let's go over to Firebase Rules Generator. Yeah, so and now let's open our project. So you remember we had posts and then $sign user ID, which is a child key. So we would add the path posts here, and then we'll add user ID. Sorry, we have to go inside of it since it's a child of this. We are going to add $sign user ID and save this. Okay, and now we're going to write our rows, edit rows, and we have, since we're going to be editing the write function, we use custom access, allow read access, and come here and we click on allow write access if our root, let's see, okay, sorry, that's a slight mistake. If data exists, so we have data exist here, and if new data exists. So as you can see it here, you can see if data exists and new data exists right here. Okay, so now let's go back to the app. Sorry, things must have gone off. New data exists and data exists. So yeah, save our changes. Okay, cool. So now it's saved. Now let's go back, and at any moment while writing your rules, you can actually be able to check what you've done. As you can see here, we have the paths and the read access, the write access, new data that exist, and data exist. So let's extract our rules. So now let's extract our rules. So as you can see, it actually generates the correct database rules. Same thing with the one you saw in the screenshot previously. Right here. Right here. Okay, that solves it for the tutorial for today. Okay, see you in the next tutorial.